Review of Lessons in Chemistry by Bonnie Garmus. Bonnie Garmus's Lessons in Chemistry is a delightful, sharp, and thought-provoking novel that expertly blends humor, heartbreak, and social commentary. Set in the 1960s, the book centers on Elizabeth Zott, a brilliant chemist whose career is hampered by the pervasive sexism of her time. Her journey from an undervalued scientist to an unexpected television cooking star is both inspiring and subversive, as Garmus uses Elizabeth's story to challenge the gender norms and societal expectations of the era. Elizabeth is a remarkable protagonist, fiercely intelligent, unapologetically unconventional, and deeply relatable. Her scientific approach to life, love, and even cooking is both amusing and illuminating. The secondary characters, such as her precocious daughter Mad, her loyal dog 630, and Calvin Evans, her enigmatic partner, are well drawn and add depth to the narrative. Garmus's writing is sharp and witty, with moments of profound insight that underscore the challenges women faced, and still face, in male-dominated spaces. The novel's commentary on sexism, equality, and the value of persistence feels both timely and timeless. What sets Lessons in Chemistry apart is its ability to balance weighty themes with humor and warmth. While it critiques societal injustices, it also celebrates resilience, ingenuity, and the transformative power of knowledge. This novel is a triumph, a must-read for anyone who enjoys smart, character-driven stories that make you laugh, cry, and think. It's not just a story about a woman's struggle in a patriarchal world, it's a celebration of defying expectations and rewriting the rules.